Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have a small haul to do, like it's very small. I'm just waiting on one more item. But first of all I got a garter belt. It just looks like this. It has little bows right here. You can adjust the front. So I had gotten thigh highs and I couldn't get them to stay up, so I needed a garter belt, and I haven't owned a garter belt in years. So this is just what it looks like. I got it in a size large. I should have gotten an extra large because it's very tight up here. And there's a cute little bow and all the lace. But besides that, I'm gonna keep it in case I lose weight. Excuse my foot, but that's what it looks like. And I'll have everything linked down below. And then I got a set of straws. I've been needing stainless steel straws. And I'll be inserting the pictures off of Amazon too. And it comes with like silicone tips and stuff. It's a set of 16. Should I open this? I don't feel like opening it. I guess I'm opening it. So this is everything that comes with it. Oh, and this bag is 4 of the, you can kind of see it. Well, actually 8. You can see there the bag. There's 8 of the regular straws. They just look like that. There's 4 long and there's 4 short. And then it came with the straw cleaners, the tips for the cups, the coverings, and then it just came with 4 of each, 4 long, 4 short. So I wanted to show everything that was in the pepper grinder set. So I forgot it came with 2 spoons. I didn't know it came with its own base, which is really cute, and it comes with a brush cleaner. So for now, I'm just gonna take out probably 1 of the pepper grinders and just use that for now and just pack everything else up.